Hi, this is Mrs. Owens. I teach second grade, so if you're watching this video, that means you're in second grade. It's a great grade to be in. I just want to introduce myself and kind of show you around our classroom and tell you some favorite things of mine, and then I can't wait to hear about some of your favorite things tomorrow. If you notice, I have some pink flamingos there behind me. I love pink flamingos. My mom liked them, and my sister also likes them, and she teaches fourth grade at a different school corporation, so we kind of both have pink flamingos in our classroom. Another thing I like is my family. See us there? There's me, and there's Mr. Owens. He's a Indiana State Conservation Officer, and that's like a police officer that deals with hunting and fishing and boating laws, but he also protects the humans of Indiana also. And then down here is Ivy and Isabella. Isabella will be a fifth grader at North White, and Ivy, the curly-haired girl with the glasses, will be in first grade at North White also. They're excited to come back and see some of their friends in their class, and then make some new friends in their class also. I also want to introduce you to my favorite author. Sorry, I bent down. Is Megan McDonald. She writes the Judy Moody books. And if you had a brother or a sister or a cousin who had me, they know that I'm crazy about Judy Moody. I read lots of the books to you, so I'll read to you every day. That's something I can promise to you that along with math and science and you reading to me, I'll read to you every day also. But the fun thing is with Judy Moody, and it's actually this book, around spring break, all of second grade takes 2 weeks, and this is what we read. And it's a chapter book. But by spring break, you'll be ready for this, I promise you. And we do fun activities with this book. We have a Stink and Judy lookalike contest day where we come dressed as our best Stink and Judy Moody. So I like to have fun, and that's not going to change just because we're in a little bit different. So if you see our classroom, see how we are kind of set up spaced away from each other. The fun thing is we can sit in our desks, but I think we can also, if we all sat on the same side of the floor, on the same side of our desk, we could kind of hang out on our desks by the floor too. Something different this year is that we're not using our cabinets. It's just not my class. It's the whole school. We're going to use these as storage, and you'll put your backpacks on the back of your desk. And then in the hallway we have stuff set up for your lunch boxes if you bring lunch, and your tennis shoes. You'll be eating lunch and breakfast in our classroom. So no one's allowed into the building until 7:45, and you'll come right down to the classroom and you'll sit in your desk or next to your desk. I wanted to show you something that in second grade we do map skills, but my class takes it a little further. See this map here? This is the map of the United States, and we do mystery Skypes and mystery Hangouts, and we meet with another class. We ask them yes and no questions. Do you live east of the Mississippi? And they say yes or no. Do you live next to the Atlantic Ocean? And they say yes or no. Does your state have a vowel at the end of its name? And then when we figure out what the state is, so let's say it's Texas, then they tell us some things about Texas and about their school and their town, and then we tell them some things about Indiana and Monon and our school. So when I see you tomorrow, I will be wearing my mask. My mask has a pink flamingo on it. I have a couple of different other masks too. So don't forget to bring your mask to school. You won't have to wear them all day in class because we're spaced out pretty good, but you can if you want to. We're all still having recess. But we're just going to have fun. I cannot wait to see you. I can't wait to dance with you because I like to dance. This big wall back here has nothing on it yet. It's going to have some stuff on it. So if you have any questions, you can tell it to me tomorrow when I see you. Get a good night's sleep. Eat a good breakfast. And I cannot wait to see your faces tomorrow. Bye.